get clean water for 4 years and to the building. But this is how the process all starts. We start with the river. We've got a pipe that's permanently into the water down here. At the moment the river is up reasonably high, but we pump the water from here to a permanent pipe that we have put under the road and in the ground all the way to the centre. And the boys are just setting up the machine now to pump. We have to bring the pump down here. We can't leave the pump down here because it will get stolen. So the boys are just setting the pump up back from the river. Now this pipe is the pipe that's underground all the way through from the river. Now it's pumping from that pump you saw into here. Now this water is straight from the river, so it's quite muddy, especially at the moment because the river is at peak. So this basket here has got a bit of alum in it. It takes will help drop the mud out of the water. So once it passes through there, I don't know the chemical terms, but once it touches the alum, it dissipates into the water and the mud goes to the bottom and leaves clear, fairly clear water if you put them up. The next process now, to get this tank full, this pump here pumps the water up into our secondary tank, which is the centre tank on this system, on our water tower, and then we take as much water as we want from that tank into our filtration system. Right, so the tank just above us is the one that we fill from that process out of the bottom tank. Now, when we want to bring the water through the filter, this is the filtration plant down in here. Okay, so we've got a series of pipes with this water coming from the tank above us into this tank here, which is full of big rocks, then smaller rocks, and then smaller until we get down to sand. Okay, the water comes into here, we open this valve here and let the water in, drains from this tank into a lower tank. This flow rate is important because this is the speed that we can filter the water at. And if we can't filter the water fast enough, faster than we use it, well, it's not much good to us. But this is the pressure it comes out at. It's rainfall that we need. So we are well above what we want. Our 30-metre high tower not only gives us pressure on the tap to turn on inside the house and have a shower, but it also gives us the ability to fight fires instantly. All we have to do is plug our fire hose into a hydrant, which we have set up here, and we can instantly have enough pressure to fight a fire. So that's also a great advantage. We did have a fire here once and it was quite complicated to put out without having the pressure that we needed. So we do have that ability now and able to protect the children with that as well as protect them with clean water. And that is a great asset. That concept that we just talked about, the water flow and everything else, might not seem exciting to most people, but it's very exciting to me because I know that we can now deliver clean water to the children regularly and also the concept that we dreamed up, it works. And we weren't sure because we don't have any engineering calculations or anything. I go by what I see and believe will work, and it works better than I expected, so we're very happy.